on the side there. One of them. Yeah guys, so as you can see me out here in a Walmart now. Pick up a few things. Look at that. So they are charged me. Let's see.
I bless the love it tonight, man, Bushman, and right now I need you to go to YouTube and log on to DJ Slicking Vlogs. You see, subscribe and do a like and do a invite. You see what I say? Lock it down. It's all about nature and the reality of the world. Keep connected.
See
Fire burn and we got.
Natural. See what I did? Well cool, me feel it all gone on in my vein. Yes, my beautiful people all over the world. This I cook and without much container. So deep, but just like put the rice in the back. Jamaica. Yes, my beautiful people, anyways, here's truly DJ Wicked Vlogs out here. Yes, no man. I know right now I'm out nice street here, guys, of Canada. Yeah, man, so stay tuned as I take on a long show and a little walk. Go on, that is it. Stay tuned, man. Yes, as you can see, Walmart is right behind me, guys. Yeah. So we just there. We wait for the TD bank for open, so you know can check in with the bank. Yeah. So stay tuned as we take on along on the journey today. Share a little with you guys, don't it? Yes, no man. Stay tuned, no man. Inside the mall, you know. You can see people just coming in the place just out. Yeah, man, that is it, you know. Look at that. Gold and ice, guys. Jewelry store, you know. Yeah, man, phone sell lesson. There's a lot of other stuff sell on this mall. Beautiful place, look at that. Man, you can see a long line there, guys, right through the day. Very active place. Yeah, man, need to check in there one day and have a meal with you guys, you know. Yeah, guys, so as you can see me out here in a Walmart, you know. Pick up a few things. Look at that. Yeah, man, so they are charged me. I see. I pick up 2 little snacks business. Yeah. Make see that? One. Buy a buckle of donut, guys, so we can have it. Yeah, so look. They are charged you, I see we can get 2 little something. See what they might want on the side there. One of them. Probably new if you don't have anything. See that, guys? Yeah. Now move through and now go up at the top there. You know, we have room full, all full, so just be with me, guys. You know?
I hear me. Ras Vital done. But there I represent to the fullest for DJ's Wicked Vlogs, you know. Real life something done, and the bodies mix them so. Make sure you go over our channel and check out that something there. You don't know. No regrets, no did it. Up full, that's vital.
Hey, see Legion, you know. One go. Pepper Brain I represent to DJ's Wicked Vlogs, you see? Yeah, get it. I'm here saying me tired of nightmares. Tired to sit the room with the light there. Me left me hard and tell me family I go find fair. Them still have to see the big in a Times Square. One go, DJ Wicked Vlogs, Pepper Brain, I'm out.